Are you trying to decide between the UK or France for your master's in management in 2025? Are you curious about which option might give you better internships, stronger job openings, and a more vibrant student life? Hello, I am Shruti, and in today's video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison of MIN programs in the UK versus France. I want you to feel confident about which path fits your goals, your budget, and your personal preferences. Let's start by talking about why this choice matters so much for your future. A master's in management is not just about studying, it's about opening doors in top companies, building strong connections, and also stepping into the professional world ready for success. The UK typically offers MIM programs that run for about 1 year, like those at London Business School or Imperial College. These programs are short, focused, and place you close to global finance and consulting firms, especially in London. On the other hand, French schools such as HEC Paris, ESSEC, or ESCP often spread the program over 18 to 24 months. This means you have more time to complete internships, which can help you gain practical skills and real world experience. Tuition costs are another big factor. In the UK, fees can range from around 30,000 to 45,000 pounds, with living expenses in cities like London being quite high. France has its own expenses, where top schools might charge around 40,000 euros plus the cost of living in Paris or other cities. When it comes to salaries after graduation, both the UK and France can offer solid starting points. A graduate from London Business School might begin earning around 50 to 55,000 pounds, while someone from HEC Paris might start near 78,000 euros. Your exact pay will depend on the industry you join. So think about whether you see yourself in finance, consulting, luxury, or tech. Language and culture are also key details to keep in mind. In the UK, everything runs on English, and you will be in a diverse environment that can feel familiar if you already speak the language well. In France, your program may be taught in English, but even a little French can help you settle in faster and open up some extra job possibilities. Now, you might wonder how to pick one country over the other if both sound so appealing, right? First, ask yourself whether you want a quick path into the working world or if you would prefer a longer program with time for internships and personal growth. Next, think about your finances. Can you handle the high cost of living in places like London or Paris? Or do you need scholarship or less expensive housing? Also, reflect on your career interests. If you lean toward consulting or banking, London is a major hub. If you're into luxury or brand management or even international business with a European purpose, France might be your dream place to study. Let's take a quick example to bring it all to life, okay? If you choose London Business School, you might spend one intense year in a bustling city, then jump right into a job at a top consulting firm earning about £50,000. Meanwhile, a student at HEC Paris might complete an internship during the longer program, graduate with strong French contacts, and start at around 70,000 to 80,000 euros in a luxury or finance role. Neither option is better in absolute sense because this decision is highly personal to you. Think about your goals, your comfort with language, and the experiences you want to have during your time in graduate school. If you found this comparison helpful, please give this video a like and share it with others who might be on the fence. I would also love to hear your thoughts and questions, so feel free to drop a comment below if you want more guidance on any specific school or city. Do not forget to subscribe for more updates on MIM, MBA, MIF, MSBA, and other business related programs. I will see you in the next video and I wish you all the best in your MIM journey.